Hey guys, out here today at Beasley Knob Trail. A lot of fun, a lot of adventure. Just working the Willie hard today. See how it goes. We hit a bunch of trails today. We did not hit 93B the extreme, but boy, even the blues are pretty extreme at 7 or 8 to 10 moderates. So really great day out here. Beautiful weather, 50, 60 degrees, late October. The leaves are starting to change. Amazing Jeep trail ride today, and we're finished up and we're all safe. But hey, hats off to Beasley's Knob. Great trail ride. All right, see y'all soon. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
You good for me to come? What do you say?
Yes. He's good. So why wouldn't you? Just keep it moving, nice and steady. Crawl up here.
Okay, you're good. It's really not too bad. I had my off-road on. I did not have to use lockers. I just tried to kind of keep momentum.
Roger.
So like the first 50 yards or so, so it's very rocky. Then it's a little less rocky, and then that's where I kind of used it a little bit more to keep momentum. All right, I'm coming fast.
What you see?
Just going real slow to make sure we don't rub this tree on the right here.
Up that hill where you had it 4 low and you were just keeping the momentum, you could feel that Jeep powering, man. It was going.
It was powering. That's the low, right? That's the torque.
Love's a game, I'll shoot my shot. Breathe you in tonight. Hold you close till morning comes. Babe, is that alright? Stay on my body and taste you on my tongue. You have to mark, you can't underline. Fever caught it, now I'm burning up. Let's get
Don't
Yeah.
stop. Can't do it right now.
Yeah, it's no big deal. We're
It's on
just,
right now. You just record it again.
well, it's, yeah.
Oh, yeah, the
We'll,
battery.
we'll power down when we get to our power up.
I bet you got some good footage out of that. See, I like trails like this where there's not rocks, it's just nice
Well, sure.
dirt.
Yeah, I mean, this is the best part.
I mean, what I mean by rock, like no
No.
gravel. I don't think the National Forestry needs to put gravel down. But I
but
understand
it-
why they do.
Yeah, if they don't, it'll really be tough to navigate in the rain. One rain. Oh, that's really good.
Oh, he's going high on the passenger side. You see that? He's
Yeah.
trying to avoid these rocks.
Yeah.
He's going really high on the passenger side.
No, honestly, I can just
You can just go over those.
to the left, right?
Yeah, I would just go.
I don't think they'll straight.
No. Yeah, you took the right line.
I'm just going slow though. Did you see him scrape right
I
there? Did
heard
you hear it?
something.
Yeah.
What was that?
That was that rock. See the rock there? He
Oh,
hit
that one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Wait, he hit that
Yeah.
one? Doesn't
he
look
sure
that high.
did. I don't
Okay.
think it looks high either.
Go high, driver.
That's what I'm doing. High passenger.
High passenger.
Yeah, that's. Am I okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I heard something.
I think I'm lifted a little more than him.
You'll have to ask him. You don't have to ask him now. We'll ask him when we get at the end.
That's cool.
I want to ask him if he's deflated.
Yeah.
The reason why I say don't ask him now is it's like,
Well, it's
let's
fine.
focus on the trail.
Yeah, good call. I'm trying to follow it. Oh boy, see that? On my left side here. Ready? There we go. Going up. All right, nice creek right here. Water.
Oh, very solid. This is a cake going up this.
I know, but what I'm worried about is once it connects to Rattlesnake, which is a brutal, like extreme rating, and if we can have to go back or we can get down Rattlesnake. If he was willing to try it, I'm trying it. But I'm hopeful it's just slow and stones and not anything rutted. But it's freaking awesome, though, Tron. I'm just telling you. Like, it's just, you talking about an adrenaline rush?
But like,
And
I know
comforting.
these are the trail that resonate with you. How do you do this in Florida? They don't have these type of trails.
Well, I
On the
again,
right path here?
oh yes, he should be going. Yeah, we just should go to the, no, I don't see anything on my map, so I think we just keep rolling here and I'll keep an eye on the blue dot, make sure we're good. I'll hold it for a second just to make, because we're kind of coming to. Oh boy. Oh, I'll let you hold it. So much for, oh gosh. Alright,
Now this doesn't look too bad.
Alright, I'm gonna
You just
stay.
need to stay in the rut on the passenger
Alright, I'll just stay
side.
4 high.
Just stay in the rut on the passenger side.
Yeah, you
Just
coach
go.
me, just, oh my gosh.
Just aim for that rut on the passenger side and you'll be fine.
Alright, I gotta go slow. I just gotta go slow. I'm looking.
Fine. Just
Right.
stay in the rut.
I'm trying, it's sliding. See, I got the wheel all the way
Yeah.
up.
Now this one,
Good gracious.
maybe cheat on the driver's side a bit if you can. Just because there's a bank you can do that on.
We should be fine in the rut, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we're fine in the rut. Oh boy, he gets
Boy.
he's just flying.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah.
He's like damn Jim. What was that?
That's the bottom of the vehicle. I'm too fast into that, trying to catch up with him.
Yeah, no worries. Sitting up here at the top, though. It's not a big deal, just kind of bumpy.
All right, here I come.
I remember seeing that car in the video. Watch out for this branch sticking out.
Yeah.
You have to go drive a little bit. All right, you're clear. You got a stray, come back passenger. Give a little bit of juice. There you go. You might want to use two hands to put the walkie-talkie down.
Lots of torque, lots of power, 4 low, no lockers. All right, did you see that line he took?
Yep. Do the same thing.
All right,
Straddled that, you'll see a rock on the left.
tell him
Trying to go straight
I'm
over.
going to take the same line he took.
Roger that. We're going to try to do the same line. Thank you.
It's so helpful to watch somebody do it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Makes it a lot easier.
He seems a Spanish driver, isn't he?
Well, that Rubicon's a beast, and he's doing fine.
Did you talk to him? How long has he been trailing?
I should have asked.
It just sounds like it's working harder. You 4 low?
Yeah. Let me get up here and I'll go 400.
Can you do it when the car's moving?
Yeah. Just let him know I just switched over to 4 high again.
Okay.
Just let him know.
I think
We have a turn here with a C93E to the right, and then we got something straight ahead.
Alright, let me see where we're at.
let us check that real quick, Grant.
We want to stay left. We want to stay left.
Roger.
Oh, there's more here, right?
run.
This thing's got power to get us up this hill.
Let him know where we're at. Man. I'm in low, so that's helping just kind of grind up. Holy cow. I honestly think the other trail was harder, even though this is rockier, maybe. If that makes sense. I'm more confident on this trail, dry and rock. The rocks are bigger. I think that's what the video said. But you know, you don't have, at least right now, you don't have these impossible ruts.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Here we go uphill as soon as I say that. What line did he take? Did he straddle or ruts? I think he rutted this.
Do you know what JB23 means? That sticker in the upper left.
I don't. Jones Bridge? I don't know.
So you can see what he's doing.
Yeah, I'm just trying to see what he's doing. So he just straddled this and then he's just working it. He's just going easy with his rocks, which is smart. Look at this.
Be careful going up here. Just slow.
Yeah.
Move full low.
Yep.
Just let the Jeep take you up.
Good job.
See that,
All right, bringing up the rear here. We're low.
Jump on that bank.
What did he do? Bank right? Or, yeah, he's staying away from that roof. Kind of hard to see sometimes.
Watch out for this vine here. I can move it if it's in your way.
Oh boy. You see that water?
Oh, yeah.
Good stuff. What does that red thing mean? You never
Just
know.
part of the trail. I think it's telling us.
Going the right way.
Trying to get out of low to give it a little rest. Not quite halfway, but we're getting there. We're up here. Can you see around the mountain there? The view is pretty incredible.
Yeah.
Wow. Look how high we are. This is pretty crazy right here.
This is nice trail though. It's
I mean, this is fantastic.
very pretty.
It is pretty. Very nice. Well worth the drive to get this kind of trail in. Yeah, I just thought the others today might be a little boring. Like, let's try something and see what, get our heart rate up. And we certainly
Well,
did.
like we've done.
Now look,
two
when you
that
want to
mentioned.
drive, let me know.
No, you're
I
good,
don't want to
man.
hog, man.
You're good, man.
It's
Like you said, this is like really curious.
it is. I tell you, I'm learning some stuff. The Jeep will move in its own direction sometimes.
I like to just ride.
It's getting out.
Oh, he's looking at something.
What y'all see?
Just taking a gander at the rocks up here in the path we want to take through it.
You want me to walk up too, or is grandson?
I think he's figured it out. Thank you. What is that?
See that, Sean? Like, are we? I'm gonna watch you close. Oh no.
Okay.
Oh, that's it. What did he do? Did he put his wheel right in the middle of that?
He did, but he put the front right wheel on the right.
Okay, so he climbed this rock to get
Sorry, my bad. Did you want me to spot you? You got it.
We got it.
I'm good right now, working up. Thank you on your line.
Keep going, keep going.
I tried. I'm
You gotta
turtled.
You gotta keep going, you're not. You got it.
Okay, I touched bottom there a little bit. Man,
When it hits, what's
we
hitting?
gotta really watch his line. Like, I don't want to hit at all on the bottom if I don't have to. We gotta see, he's clean all the way up. I should not have hit the bottom. That was weird. All right.
Pay attention.
I am. So he's right there. He's clear all the way.
He ain't come close.
Now this gets a little tricky here because on my map it's showing the connector with red. Give me just a second just to look at this map, please.
Roger.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out and look at it with him. I put the emergency brake on, didn't I?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you get out, you can really see that we are on some mountaintop. I mean hills.
What do you see over there?
That's the red trail.
Is that the hard one?
Damn, spot my right.
You can go past there a little bit if you need to.
Alright.
You got plenty of room on my side. Yeah, just go through it. Yep, you're fine. This looks pretty easy, just some ruts.
Watch that tree on the right, Root. Am I good?
You're fine.
That's the red trail. Holy cow, that's crazy.
Wait, that's the
Right
hard trail?
there. Oh god.
Just go through this. This is all flat rock. Yeah, you gotta get a little momentum get going through this. You gotta really go through.
I'm stuck. Hang tight just a moment, please. Let me see if I can back up and come back up.
Roger that.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
All good.
You can see where my driver's side came up on that rock. I kind of went straight up over it.
You kind of hurdled it, kind of right and left there.
Yeah, I just kind of aligned my driver's side with the rock. You can kind of see it behind my back left.
Got it.
And there's a bunch
Now
of
what did
bushes
he
on the
do here?
right.
Did he go high or did he?
He went through these brushes.
He did.
He actually hit the brushes, so he went.
All right, watch that side. I'm doing okay?
On my side, yeah. You're gonna hit these brushes, so I'm gonna roll up these windows.
Okay, yeah.
Oh. There you go.
Okay. Yeah, just like we said. Okay, I'm gonna put my lockers on here. I'm struggling a little bit.
There you go. Power through it. Nice whippersnappers.
Get the locker on. Good.
This is recording the whole time.
What?
You want it recording the whole time?
Sure.
said it, like you don't it's like intense or I'm sweating.
This stuff is cake now.
Trees are scary a little bit. We gotta make sure you really watch. You alright with your window down now?
Yeah.
Some airflow. Alright, we got some undulation coming in. Keep working down nice and easy.
Ride this bank right here, you'll miss that gap. Oh boy. If you stay in these ruts, you should be good. Oh shit, look at him slide. You see him
Okay.
slide? Just stay in these ruts.
Alright, Is he alright?
You just slide in these ruts, you'll be alright.
Just hitting his-
Serious shit, I don't know how people go with this.
I wonder if I should go for low.
No, you're just going down ruts.
Right.
You don't need power.
I know, but when you go down, the power helps you. But that's alright. I can do it.
Stay in the ruts, you'll be fine. Is this meant to go back this
Can
way?
you move that right there?
Yeah, yeah,
Just-
yeah.
I need to get that stable or something. Alright, Tron, make sure I'm in that rut.
You're good on my side.
In the rut?
Yep.
Okay. Here, let's look at our angle of depart. Alright, looks like he's just working down nice and ruts, right?
That's all he's doing. That's all you need to do.
Alright, that's all I'm gonna do.
Shouldn't be too bad, but there's the base of that tree on the left. Kind of wants to slide to the left a little bit, but I think you'll be all right.
You tell him. Yeah. Pop that
Roger, thanks.
down. Alright, so what did he say? Just stay away from the tree?
Yeah. Oh,
So, alright.
what was it? Alright.
Alright, check this out. This is pretty precarious, so I'm gonna have to fall in the rut here on the left.
You're fine on my side.
Let me ask him something real quick. Did you stay driver's side in the rut or try to stay driver's side on top of this rut away from the tree?
I did try and stay a little passenger, but yeah, because it's gonna kind of slide a little bit. I don't know that there's any way around the slide, but I did kind of come around to the right a little bit. Passenger side.
Okay, thank you. Or try
I didn't stay like way up on the edge or anything.
Did not or did?
He did not. Roger. Oh, he's gonna spot you. He's out.
What I don't,
Yeah, you're sliding. You're sliding. You keep going.
I don't want to hit this tree is a concern.
There you go.
All right, there we go. Thank you. I'm still in 4 high.
Oh, jeez. Look at this, Dustin.
What am I in? Are we going up now?
Yeah, we're going up.
Or are you going to 20?
Nope.
Thank you. All right, 411, right?
Watch his line. See?
Yeah.
Going
Just
left
stay in
side.
rut,
Yeah,
right?
stay in rut. Left side, driver's
Right.
side, right.
All right.
Man, it's good we're following this guy.
Gosh.
Just gotta see what he's doing.
Yes. Watch my tree there.
You're good.
That guy hit that tree in that video. I don't blame him now because I can see how it can pull you.
Watch this tree a little bit on my right. Just go around it.
Yep.
This is our sharp turn here.
Which way?
Okay. Tell him hold 2 seconds. Let me just
1
get
sec.
flat.
Let us check that.
So we need to go to the right.
We need to go right.
I'm gonna do a 3 or 15-point turn here.
I think it's good. Yeah, because we're coming this way and we gotta go hard right.
Yeah, they blocked that off.
This is an easy turn.
He went to do the same thing he just did. Just stay in the rush. You'll be fine.
Alright, he rode high there. Did you see that?
Yeah.
See what's nice is I'm in 4 low and I have tremendous power right here coming downhill. See that?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
You mean control?
Yes. Like it's so tight. I love it. Did he go rut here?
Yes. Driver's side right.
See, like even I let off the gas. See how that control? I'm not even touching brake.
Right.
See, it's braking itself.
Right.
It's awesome. Hopefully, this will get a little easier down here, and I can go back to 4, whatever high. Yes, I think he's in 4 low anyway.
You'll have to ask him, say, hey, I'm learning, did you change gears a lot, and what gear did you keep it in?
Well, he told me up there on the tailhead, he just stayed in 4 low the whole time. You know what I'm saying? Because he's crawling. He's just crawling. It's doing great. So,
You see his line? He's staying
Now I
high
do.
on the driver's side.
now I do, yeah.
There's some mud down here.
Yeah.
But you've got plenty of room on passenger side too, Dustin.
All right, there's a little drop right here, right there. I just want to make sure I don't hit that too hard. What did you do right here?
He stayed high on the driver's side.
Okay, he did. The old hurdle.
But you got plenty of room on the passenger side. Man, this is insane, isn't it?
This is intense. Ain't no doubt about it. Oh boy. You see that?
You just stay in these ruts, man.
Oh man.
You just staying in these ruts.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Do you want, like, do we want a shot of this from behind?
Let's just go.
Okay,
I mean, it's recording.
that's cool. All right, well, hang in there because we're about to hit some big time rock. Okay, it's going down
I'm
easy.
holding on.
All right.
The Jeep is going to come down itself. You just need to guide it down.
This is where it gets a little precarious right there. All right, I got to go slower, John. So you gotta really help me on these. So like right here's a big drop off, and I just.
All right, you're fine on my side. I can't see your side, but my side there's no drop offs.
All right. What I'm doing, I'm trying to stay where when I go down right here that I don't just crunch it. So bear with me. Here we go. All right, hang on. We're gonna slide right off. Right there. Oh, that was beautiful, wasn't it?
Look at this. This is nuts. This is crazy, dude.
This is Rubicon stuff. There ain't no doubt about it.
This is crazy right here.
I'm glad I'm in 4 low. This is Rubicon right here.
All right, there's a big drop right here, though.
Yeah, I got it.
So if you can squeeze that driver's side as tight as you can.
Oh, Sean, it grabbed the wheel. I've lost control.
What do you mean?
Like it just going that way, I'm steering that way. See that?
Yeah, no, okay. You're over this rock.
So that's what I'm saying. Like it's
So
all right.
go driver's side as much as you can because there's a big drop over here.
All right.
Just take it easy, right? There, yeah, you're good. Okay.
All right. Tell me where my wheel is. Is it straight or passenger?
That's good. You're sliding. Okay. There's gonna be a big drop on the back right there. Okay, good. All right. That was the biggest drop. The rest looks like it's pretty manageable.
Yeah, you're right.
Damn.
There's that one more ledge right
This is
there.
crazy, Dustin. This is like technical driving.
This is crazy. Is what it is.
These are small drops, no big deal. You're not going to hit anything there. Just make sure you don't swing over and smash a tree.
I'm telling you that the wheel is taking a life of its own. It's crazy. Its own. You know why? Because it's undulating. So one side is like this. I think that's why it's so weird feeling. I've never felt this before, so you're not on here.
All right, I think you're in the clear. Dude, that was nuts.
All right, let me get down here.
That was awesome, though, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was nice.
That was crazy. I can't imagine going up that.
No, well, you just said it. Like, that's what I'm a little worried about. That we're gonna have to.
We're not going back that way, are we?
We might have to. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It depends if we can cut over on this little road, but that little road is a grade. So that little road might be brutal.
Watch his line. I think there's anything to negotiate down here.
Tire off.
Alright, he's going driver's side hard. I don't think he needs to because there's plenty of room on the passenger side.
Okay, look, that tire came off, so we gotta be real careful here.
Look, just go passenger
Take that
side.
into passenger.
there's plenty of room over here, dude. I don't know why he went so hard in this rut. Go hard past the
Well,
rut.
you don't want to lean. You don't want the tilt. You know what I mean?
From what I see, there's plenty
Well,
of room.
watch this. Watch our tilt. See, we're at 20 right now.
Plenty of room over here.
Okay.
See, down, yeah, see?
Alright, we need to secure. Alright, here we go. You just help me. I'm focused on tough driving here. It's a little precarious.
There's a big rock here, just be careful.
Yeah. Okay, I just gotta get slow and back in my zone.
Alright.
Here we go.
Go back to passenger.